Hey everyone, welcome to another Windows Wednesday. Today we're going to continue along the lines of personalization. We're going to talk about the taskbar. Alright, so welcome to the show. Again, this down here is your taskbar. You got a couple different ways that you are able to actually get, you're able to actually make changes to it. Right click on your mouse, always your options for that. You can show Cortana, hide Cortana, show your search box. If you just short click Cortana, she's just the circle down here. You have to click on it to type anything to search. I don't like that because it just takes too long. Or you can hide it completely. And then how I like it is the search box. You got your toolbars, addresses, links, desktops, new toolbars, all that stuff. So you can put your addresses in here. You can change the length for everything. So you can bring up your task manager this way. Makes things a little easy. Otherwise, you can always do Control Shift Escape or Control Alt Delete and then choose what you want. You can lock the taskbar, that leaves it always down here, or unlock it and then it'll slide down and you have to go down there to bring it back up. This gives you technically a little bit more real estate than otherwise. Taskbar settings, this will bring it just into your settings menu here. And then you can choose location this way. So if you wanted your taskbar to be on top, you can do that. Everything just drops down from the top. So that's nice. Oh, so it takes away options for Cortana, so that sucks. So these two, if you have a touch screen, touch keyboard, and then the Windows Ink stuff, if you wanted to show those, you can. But if you have just a regular desktop, there's no point. If you ever see those disappear, that's why. You don't have to show the people either if you don't want to. You don't have to show our task view button, which is this guy here. And that just brings up stuff that you have open, where you've been, all that stuff. You can start a new desktop here. Automatically hide it in tablet mode. I don't like tablet mode, so I don't really do it, but you can do that. And then if you were in tablet mode, so tablet mode, you can bring up by clicking here and then clicking on tablet mode. Makes everything full screen and nothing is down here on the taskbar. Everything is done through your start menu. That all looks different as well. And then you can type whatever you need to find. So Adobe, personally don't like it, so I don't use it. I like the regular desktop mode. It's not Windows 8, and the tablet stuff isn't really a big thing anymore, so whatever. Small taskbar buttons. So these guys are just smaller. Just changes the resolution on those. Use the peek preview. So that's where you go like this, and then you can see what's going on Super handy feature. Really like it. And you can do right. If you ever have too many icons for what you've got, it'll have a little bar here, and that's how you scroll back and forth. Left is obviously the same. I don't have multiple displays, so that's not a big deal. People, you can choose how many people you want. Show people notifications, play sounds from people within those notifications. You can do up to 10. So like if you were to add people, then they would show up here with a little round picture. And that's what that would kind of end up looking like. The only other last thing to show you is if you want to have any of these down here. If you don't want them, you can right click and unpin from taskbar. If you want them on there, you can right click and then put more and pin to taskbar, or you can simply grab and drag down here, and there's the link. I like them down here because all you have to do is simply click once to bring whatever you want up there. If it's your most used stuff, then it's nice and handy to have down here. So, yeah, that is how you use your taskbar. Thanks for watching this quick video over the basics of using your taskbar. Just kind of how to more personalize your look within Windows. Just want to say thank you for your support and continuing to watch on these Wednesdays. If you want to keep following along for tips and tricks and how-tos in Windows 10, go ahead and subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. If you are liking my content, please shoot me a subscribe down below. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.